TAGRY AI Translation Earbuds provide remarkably accurate real-time translation across more than 160 languages, which makes them especially useful for frequent travelers and multilingual families. The built-in artificial intelligence assistant is surprisingly capable at handling quick questions, language practice, and even supporting translated voice or video calls for remote meetings or classes. Multiple translation modes cover casual chats, two-way conversations with one person on the phone, and even shared links for translating online audio or video, so you can adapt to almost any communication scenario. Beyond translation, these earbuds double as everyday wireless earphones, letting you move smoothly between conversations, calls, and music without juggling separate devices. Sound quality is strong for both speech and music thanks to large air-conducting drivers and noise reduction, which keeps voices intelligible even in busy public spaces. Battery performance is a major strength, with long single-charge endurance and a charging case that stretches total listening and translation time to many hours of continuous travel or work.